Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I have a new kitten. So in this video, I'm just gonna be hanging out with this little guy, and he purrs all the time. If you can hear that, that is his purring. He purrs all the time. Hi. So like, I just got him last night. He's very soft, and he's only 5 months old. And he's got along with my dog, but not my other cat. My other cat was very mean to him, so we have the door shut, especially the one over there, so they can't get in contact. But yeah. Hey. Hey. He likes using me as pillows. Hi. Oh. Oh, there you are. Ow, I hit my foot. That hurt. Oh. You seem to like it more over here, so let's go over here, buddy. Oh yeah, the little treehouse thing that we have right here. Here you go. There. See, you can just be right here. Just look out the view. Yeah. Yeah. He was so good. I only got him last night, and he's only 5 months old, so. And I got my other cat when she was 2 months old. And she's changed a lot. So I hope that doesn't happen the same to him. I want him to be purring all the time because it's very cute. But he will change a little. And he will grow a lot, unlike my other cat. So that'll probably shut her up. When, I don't know, maybe. Oh, you're on my chair? Oh, you're trying to get on my desk? Trying to get on my desk? Oh, you don't want to? Alright, desk it is. Get that out of here. Hey! Hey, no. That's not for you, eh? Don't eat these Legos. Don't eat them. That is very dangerous. See, he's still getting used to the place because we only got him last night. That's my TV. Hey. Come here. Come here. Come here, you. He likes to be under here for some reason. He likes... Oh, where are you? Oh, there you are. Bless you. Oh, I have a good idea. I have a good idea. Where is it? Oh, there it is. There it is. You ready to have some fun? Hey, look down! There. Look behind you. Behind you. Behind you. Boy. Yeah. Hello? Ding. Come here. Come here, you. What you doing? What you doing? Hold on, I need some more light here. Oh, oh, oh. All right. Yep, that's. Where'd he go? Hello? And under the bed. Nope. Where'd you go, bud? Did you go over here? Looks like I done. Where'd you go? In my closet? Hello? There you are. Oh, you went under my bed. Hi. He's super cute and he's very playful. So, hold on, let me get a toy. Yeah. Superman! Oh! Yay. Sliding off my bed. Oh, yeah. Ah! Now what is a perfect... Gimme! Oh, even better. Hey, yeah, you got that thing. Oh, maybe I should get my dog in here. And here's a funny thing. When my dog wags her tail, he will think that her tail's a toy and go after it. And it's hilarious. Hey. Oh, you took it from me. How rude. How rude of you. Hold on, can I set this up? Yeah, looks like I can. Let's move it over here. Da 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 da. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go this time? There you are. Yep. Na 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 na, da 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 na, da na na na, da na na na. Give me it. Can you please give it back? Thank you. I have a good idea. Let's get rid of that. He went after it. Uh-oh. I threw the whole thing. Hey. Give me this. Da-da-da. Oh, you have it. You have it there, buddy. Bing. Bing. Pata patiko la la la. Da 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 da. Hey. Nya nya nya. Oh, he took it. He still has it. Hold on, let me get him. Come here and get that thing off. Get out. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. Have a nice day. See ya.